Hey there, dog enthusiasts! I'm Victor Van Buren, and today we're setting the record straight on 10 common misconceptions about Shih Tzus. Let's get started. Myth number 1. Fragile and delicate. Despite their small size, Shih Tzus are not fragile. They have a sturdy build and a robust nature, making them more resilient than you might think. Myth number 2. High-maintenance grooming. While Shih Tzus have a luxurious coat, it doesn't necessarily mean high maintenance. Regular brushing and occasional grooming sessions can keep their coat in excellent condition. Myth number 3. Not good with children. They actually can be wonderful companions for families with children. Their friendly and affectionate nature often makes them great playmates. Myth number 4. Require fancy diets. Not true. They don't need a special or elaborate diet. A high-quality dog food that meets their nutritional needs is sufficient for their well-being. Myth number 5. Not intelligent. Contrary to belief, Shih Tzus are intelligent dogs. They may have a playful and sometimes independent demeanor, but they are quick learners and can be trained effectively. Myth number 6. Too lazy to exercise. While they enjoy lounging, Shih Tzus still need regular exercise. Short walks and playtime can help keep them physically and mentally stimulated. Myth number 7. Only suitable for apartments. Shih Tzus adapt well to apartment living due to their small size, but they also enjoy a backyard if available. Their adaptable nature makes them suitable for various living environments. Myth number 8. Not good guard dogs. Though they may not be fierce guard dogs, Shih Tzus are alert and can make excellent watchdogs. They'll often bark to alert their owners to potential intruders. Myth number 9. All Shih Tzus have a flat face. While the flat-faced, brachycephalic look is common, not all Shih Tzus have extremely flat faces. Some may have a more moderate facial structure. Myth number 10. Prone to health issues. While Shih Tzus can be prone to certain health concerns, responsible breeding and proper care can mitigate risks. Regular veterinary checkups are crucial for their well-being. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment below, click the like button, and be sure to subscribe for more delightful dog content. Thanks for watching.